Hello! In this video, we're going to be talking about Microsoft Windows Basics. Let's begin. There have been several versions of Windows operating system in the previous years: MS-DOS, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 8 and 8.1. New workstation and server versions are often released around the same time and are closely related. For this video, only the operating systems that have been used in the competition will be covered. The first version of Windows widely released was MS-DOS in 1981. Windows XP was released in 2001 and Windows Server in 2003. One of the major features of this operating system is the fact that it is lightweight, meaning that it only requires 64 megabytes of RAM and 1.5 gigabytes of hard drive space. Furthermore, this operating system focuses on user experience with its sleek graphics, simplicity, and basic features. XP is the first version to include Remote Desktop, which allows a user to connect to a system remotely. A notable security concern with XP is that Microsoft discontinued support and updates for it in 2014, which means systems are now more vulnerable to attacks. This is a problem since approximately 250 million people still use this operating system. Windows Vista was released in 2006 and Windows Server in 2008. This operating system consists of an updated graphical user interface, or GUI, and a Windows sidebar where users can place various desktop gadgets. Vista also comes with Windows Defender, which is a tool used for security purposes and has anti-spyware capabilities. Another feature of Vista is the Backup and Restore Center. This allows users to back up files more efficiently and create system images. Vista incorporated user account control, which is still available in more recent versions of Windows. User account control informs a user when a program requires administrator-level permissions. Vista is significantly more secure than Windows XP because it includes major architectural changes. The only concern is that while user account control is a useful security tool, it has caused major usability issues for the average user. Windows 7 and Server 2008 R2 were both released in 2009. Windows 7 comes with significant speed improvements that Vista lacked due to its bloated operating system size. This operating system also has improved searching and user account control, which provides the ability to choose between different security levels. A new feature allowing for a centralized location to notify users of major security issues is the Action Center. Windows will now also allow for biometric authentication. Windows 7 security has minimal differences from Windows Vista. However, because Windows 7 is the most widely used operating system, it is also the most targeted by malicious users and software. Windows 8 and Server 2012 were released in 2012, but Windows 8 was updated to Windows 8.1 in 2013. A major feature of Windows 8 is that it focuses on providing an operating system for tablets, which includes touchscreen and gesture capabilities, a tiled start screen, the Windows Store, and hot corners. Windows 8 got rid of the Start button, however, it was returned with Windows 8.1. Windows Defender now includes Microsoft Security Essentials, which provides antivirus support. This operating system also supports cloud storage and sync. This means that users can now sync their settings and back up their data to the cloud. Some notable security concerns are that certain applications were rewritten to maintain compatibility with the new GUI, and users can now use picture passwords. Both of these features could lead to new security flaws. Windows operations centers around the main screen called the desktop. Icons and shortcuts are thumbnail pictures that represent and can be used to open folders, files, and programs. In particular, the recycle bin icon, which is usually in the top left-hand corner, is important because deleted files are sent here before being completely deleted from a computer. The Start button is in the lower left-hand corner and can be used to navigate to other programs, files, and folders. The taskbar consists of the Start button, pinned or open icons, setting control options, and the date and time. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen, but can also be positioned on any other edge of the desktop. To view the Start menu, click the Start button. From here, users can search their system, open files and programs, and access system tools. As stated earlier, if you are using Windows 8, you will not have a Start button. Rather, you will have a Start screen. Windows 8.1 uses the Start button to take users to the Start screen. Files and folders can be accessed through Windows Explorer. To do so, click the Start button and search for Windows Explorer. This will pull up the libraries of documents, music, pictures, and videos saved on your computer. A file path is where a file is located on a system. An example of a file path is shown on the screen. In this path, C designates the drive, Program Files designates the parent folder, iTunes designates the child folder, and iTunes.exe designates the file. Notice the letters EXE at the end of the file name. This group of letters is called a file extension and is used to indicate the format of the file. These are some of the most common file extensions. This concludes the Microsoft Windows Basics tutorial. Thanks for watching!